Hi, I'm Max Younger, inventor of the air cane. This is the first cane on the market to utilize air technology in the handle and the tip to really give you the best comfort and control possible. Today we're going to be walking you through the setup and sizing of your air cane. The air cane comes fully assembled in the box. It has the air handle grip up top, as well as the air tip down below. So the air cane unfolds in seconds. The strap here you can undo with the button, undo like that, and you literally let go and it auto assembles itself. Inside there's stretch cord that keeps everything assembled. To adjust the height, you can push on the snap button here and adjust to your height range. And then once you're done setting the height, to make it so it doesn't make noise, you can hear the rattle. You can tighten this anti-rattle here, and then it's silent. Air cane comes fully assembled out of the box, and all you have to do is undo the strap for the wrist here and let go. To adjust the height, you press on the snap button here and adjust to your particular height range, making sure you're not going down to it and it's not pushing your arm up. That your elbow can be bent slightly is kind of an ideal position. And you should be able to put pressure on it and allow for the air bladder to squish nicely in your hand and the foam pad to also squish. The tip also squishes on the ground. With your right fit and setup, the air cane is ready to support you every step of the way. Thanks for watching.